Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining spaces. Imagine a lush, breezy setting that combines sleek design with the natural beauty of the tropics. Let's explore how you can create this luxurious, refreshing atmosphere in your own backyard. First, it's all about choosing the perfect spot. Look for an area with plenty of natural light, but also some shade, whether it's under a pergola, a tree, or a retractable awning. You want your tropical kitchen and dining area to feel open and airy, but comfortably shaded. For a modern look, stick with sleek, durable materials like polished concrete, stainless steel, or weather-resistant woods. These elements not only withstand outdoor conditions, but also create that clean, minimalist style. It's the perfect base for your tropical oasis. Plants are essential to achieving the tropical vibe. Go big with lush greenery like palms, bird of paradise, and vibrant ferns. These plants bring the feel of a tropical paradise to your space and create a fresh, exotic atmosphere that's perfect for outdoor dining. Comfortable seating is key to making the space inviting. Choose pieces that balance style and comfort. Think cushioned chairs, woven bar stools, or even a minimalist outdoor sofa. This way, your guests can relax and enjoy the tropical ambiance for hours. Embrace natural textures like bamboo, rattan, and raw wood. These earthy tones warm up the modern aesthetic and give it that tropical touch. Whether it's through light fixtures, bar stools, or table decor, these elements add richness and character to your space. Lighting transforms the space in the evening. Use a mix of string lights, pendant lamps, or lanterns to add warmth and intimacy. The soft glow not only makes dining more inviting, but also highlights the beautiful tropical foliage around you. If you can, add a water element like a small fountain, water wall, or even a mini pool nearby. The sound of running water creates a soothing backdrop that enhances the tropical feel. It's a small addition that makes a big impact on the overall vibe. Finally, don't forget the decor. Bring in tropical patterned cushions, vibrant tableware, and wooden serving platters to complete the look. These small touches tie everything together and add that finishing flair to your tropical dining experience. And there you have it, your modern tropical outdoor kitchen and dining area. With lush plants, natural textures, and sleek modern touches, you can create an oasis that's perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding in style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home and garden inspiration.